Good afternoon. Today, 13 July 2026, and right now time is 2:57 p.m. Presently, I am in Purbo Bachaibari under Tulasikor Agri subdivision. So this is our vermicompost unit created during last year, that is 25-26. So this vermicompost unit belongs to Mohan Deborma of Purbo Bachaibari. So here he is my beneficiary, and along with him my circle in charge Satyajit Deborma, Agri Inspector, and his brother of Mohan Deborma, he's Ramesh Deborma. He's also one of my progressive cultivator, and here he's Bapan Deborma. He's the in charge of oil palm under Khoi district there, under Tulashikor Agri subdivision, and he's also another beneficiary, Omen Deborma. So this is जों tabuk ojaga Bachaibari, Purbo Bachaibari BCO tongo ojaga जों थानाय बोसोराव MIDH Mission for Integrated Development Horticulture Scheme ni kaisa vermicompost unit rijak bini estimated cost kai 50,000 ngai all mo ko plot ni malik kai Mohan Deborma iko bono Mohan Deborma ngai ojaga जों केनजुआ बायबो देखाय केनजुआ सारसना मानि abono जों ojaga नायना बागे फायो iko ojaga केनजुआ चिकन tongo abono jokhon busabo ero ngai bongni inko busang mani pore borok je chawi khiri mani abono hino vermicompost mani kenjua sar mani jeta ching kokborok bai hingkai ojaga already 4ta unit khaijak mo tabuk jokhon mo unit pai ojaga sekai ching inko yango khaigonai erpor mo khali tongnai koi mas tang emne dar inko dam hono muti khainani kenjua sarngna busuk somoy dang mo There are 2 months. Emne to mo khaimani ta koi mas sang emne khai mo prai 90 din nango do unko prai 3 mas hain no nango ngai mo tabo ojaga kenjua sar ngai mo bojaga use khai kheto de use khai na bojaga na sabji ro kaitani ro ko
sabji to mo to tawuk se prothom ba sabji khai ko ri no ai mayo to mo no mayo
ngai yang khalio khai mo yang khai be khai mo kuplung ngong khai yang sena se gona chana ngai takbo emna khai phaila ko namo kono bazar ko phaila ko halme ko na mono prothom khai mani kenjua khai biang ni na ka kenjua
ga ni ko sa borong ri kai
acha ke bikin tu mo podan tu
sar sengagi wo যখন তে চাম্পা হওয়ার পশ্চিম চাম্পা সারাও মহাই ইউনিটি প্রো আবো তংখো আবো বরন তো আং নিজে সাইমিয়া
আচ্ছা আবো নইতে না মতো বুসা এর থাঙ্গো অটোমেটিক অলরেডি হিংকাই মতাবুক মোটামুটি তে রিডিং টেংতে প্রায় মাস দেড় রক নাঙান পুরা কমপ্লিট নি রিডিং নান না গাই মাঝে মধ্যে খুলক নাই বলে মো নাই সা খলক দিতে মনো So this is the farmer's house of our Mohan Deborma of Purbo Bachaibari, and they are all my progressive cultivator along with my circle in charge, then Mr. Bapon from oil palm. He's looking after Tulasikor Agri subdivision. So I really feel proud that our ex-SA Orpon Deborma has taken initiative for this vermicompost unit under MIDH scheme, and total estimated cost for this unit is 50,000. And this is the complete structure. They have even the shade with a tin. Then this is the chamber of 4 chamber. So those who want to buy from him, actually this is his first production. I don't know whether when he will start selling to the farmers, but the first time I think whatever the production come, he will be using in his own plot, maybe in vegetable field or a paddy field. And beside this vermicompost unit also, he is one of the progressive cultivator of RGP, and shortly we will be doing this RGP transplanting in his field along with his brother Ramesh Deborma's field in Purbo Bachai. and they are having their land holding more than this 30 kani for this Romesh, and amni lekhe busuk tong jaga kheto khai 1.5 hectare. It's near about 9 to 10 kani. So I also thanks my circle in charge, Satyajit Deborma. Actually, he's 2006 batch, and he already got training also, and now he's in the post of agri inspector. So I thanks all my farmers. But actually, from MIDH, we used to get only 1 or 2 unit. I asked the department also to give more unit in Tolasukar agri subdivision in coming days. Kai asuk no kok jotono no hambai jana goi chung kaisa chikontia je chini krishok বন্ধুর যে খাইনাই মোহন দেববর্মা বিনি প্লট অফ হাইমানা অজানা মথাকা হামবাই যতন থ্যাংক ইউ